She loves being massaged. Hey, Savannah. What a pampered life. Hey, pretty kitty. Her eyes are just closed. She doesn't like that. No. Good girl. You want massage?
More. Yeah.
She likes it just down. Don't push. That's what she likes. Yeah. Especially around her shoulder. She loves it. Savannah.